VancouverBC.com. Exclusive.
Max is making a push. It looks like it could be Calgary Race Canoe, Race Club. Are they going to make it lane 5? Looks like they possibly could cross first. 3-1 Media Dragons next.
Hello, this is Brandon Barton with VancouverBC.com. We are standing here outside Science World at the Dragon Boat Festival. I am here with Todd Wong, or as he likes to tell me, Toddish McWong. I notice you don't look very Scottish to me, yet I love the kilt. How does this fit in with the Dragon Boat races?
Well, the team's name is Gung Haggis Fat Choi, and we're celebrating the multicultural spirit of dragon boats and everything.
Yes.
And to me, Canada is not just English and French. So if you want to celebrate BC, the first pioneers were really Scots coming overland like Simon Fraser, and the Chinese coming over from the far west across the Pacific. And they met in the middle.
Oh.
They didn't like each other before, the Scots and the Chinese. But now they meet, they marry, they have babies. So we've got many people on our team. Oh, we've got some of our teammates here.
I see your teammates. You guys want to join us?
And we're going to celebrate the Gung Haggis Fat Choi Robbie Burns Chinese New Year dinner on January 25th, 2009 on Chinese New Year's Eve. So here we go. Bring in the chair.
Do it.
Gung Haggis.
Gung Haggis. Gung Haggis. Fat Choi. Gung Haggis. Gung Haggis. Gung Haggis. Fat Choi. Gung Haggis. Gung Haggis. Gung Haggis. Fat Choi. Thanks for tuning in to VancouverBC.com. We're gonna rock out. Do it, guys. Let's dance this thing out. Dance it out. Yeah. Dance it out. Get a little bit in there. Come on. Yalla. You can do it. Yeah. 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 Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I believe that's BC out.